Ready to turn your Pinterest obsession into cold, hard cash with Temu. This video is your express ticket to skyrocketing your Temu affiliate income using the power of Pinterest. We're diving deep into a step-by-step guide, so grab a pen and paper, because you won't want to miss a single detail. First up, finding those Goldmine products. Head over to Temu and scope out trending items with high appeal, then jump onto Pinterest itself and use the search bar to see what keywords people are already searching for related to those products. Think cute summer dresses or affordable home decor. Now, let's create some scroll-stopping pins. Use Canva or a similar design tool to craft visually stunning images. High-quality photos are a must. Showcase the product's best features and make it look irresistible. Time for the magic words, your pin description. Write a compelling description that highlights the benefits of the product and includes those keywords you researched earlier, and of course, include your unique Temu affiliate link. Make it clear and easy for people to click. Organization is key. Create dedicated Pinterest boards for different Temu product categories. This helps Pinterest understand what your pins are about and shows them to the right audience. Think summer fashion, home essentials, or tech gadgets. Tracking is crucial. Use a link shortener like bit.ly to track how many clicks your affiliate links are getting. Analyze which pins are performing best and double down on what's working. A quick word of caution: always disclose that your pins contain affiliate links. Honesty builds trust with your audience. So there you have it. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and you'll be well on your way to earning serious affiliate income with Temu and Pinterest. Now get out there and start pinning.